Hello, it's Diana back once again with another app review from oldandroidzone. Um, I wanted to show you this neat app I found called Chuzzle. It's this simple game that by Raptisoft and PopCap, which allows you to, just relax and swap these little creatures. They're called Chuzzles, I believe. Self-titled from the game. The game's titled after them. um One problem I've noticed is that this game usually has problem on bigger displays, like the first game. If you're on a more modern phone, you should try getting the sequel that's up on the App Store still, Chuzzle 2. Go for a classic game. Yeah, let's continue what I have. You see, the thing is with Chuzzle, it never gets boring, because as it goes on, it progressively starts adding more features that weren't there since the start. So this is basically a match 3 game, but instead of, just, swiping, one at a time, you actually have to swap a whole line and get the match. Look, there we have a perfect fit, right there. And they stay the same no matter what. Like, you see there? It's all just, like, it loops. It loops. It doesn't, like, generate new ones. It always loops. Later on in the game, you'll find that it spawns these big ones, and it takes four slots. And then you'll also have to figure out how you can make it match, which is a challenge by itself. So, oh no. Oh wait. Oh yes! There we go, and now it's done. Later on in the game, these rainbow Chuzzles will appear, and if you get to match the 3 of them, then they will give you a lot of points. It's a high score. You go. Okay, cyan. Can I get another rainbow, please? I want to show the people what happens. Oh God, we have another big one. How do we get rid of this big one? This is the fun part. You need to like strategize. What can you possibly do? Okay, bring that down. Then maybe if we keep bringing down, maybe just another red. Oh yes, perfect. Oh, this is another thing that happens. This is actually really bad. Sometimes it'll lock Chuzzles, so that way you won't be able to move the entire row, column, whatever. Oh yeah, row and column that Chuzzle is in, because it's locked. The way to get rid of it is to get a Chuzzle of the same color as the one that's locked. That is going to be a bit difficult for the, the rainbow one. Oh, actually, I didn't even notice. We already have the 2 others, so now we have to figure out a way to get over there. Look, there's this blue one. I'm gonna unlock him. There we go. So, okay, let's think together. Okay, yeah, let's just waste a few moves. To move that over there, we could. Is there anything here that we could match? Oh, by the way, whenever you are gonna, get something right, you'll see that. You'll see, like, those outlines. That's, like, a very good teller of if you're gonna get a good guess. Or, like, a good move. There we go. We gotta kill that big one. I mean, it isn't it's a painless death. Oh, wait. This is actually really good. Hold on. Oh, no. It's, like, barely off. Oh, are you kidding me? Okay. Dang it. So, like, what the flip? Okay, yeah, it's, like, barely off. Do you see that? Oh, my God. Okay. Also, you might have noticed the bottom of the screen is, like, a bit glitched. I can probably get another device to show you how it normally looks. Like, that just happens because this phone is, like, usually taller than the rest. Okay, so then that yellow one is locked, so let me get it out. Oh, I don't have another pink, so that's gonna have to stay there for a while. Okay, let's just kill that orange. Okay, can I get another pink so I can get rid of that? Okay. Oh, I moved that rainbow up by accident. Whoops. Hopefully that doesn't, like, mess anything up. So, break the cyan. Okay. By the way, there are multiple like stages. I don't know what to call them, but they're like levels. Nothing really changes aside from like difficulty and the locks, like the big ones. They appear more frequently. Oh, what did I do? I didn't even know. I wasn't even paying attention to what I was doing. Okay, blow up. Oh no. Okay, so you may actually see me lose the video game. So when you lose whenever you don't have any moves left, it's not like Candy Crush where you have like a limited set of moves and swipes. It's like physically like you cannot match 3 with the current things you're given. Okay, so we gotta use our brains. I know it's hard, but we gotta use our brains. Ooh. Okay. Yep, that. No more moves. Scramble, scramble. The eggs. Let's go. Okay. We have one more chance. The objective is to like fill the bottle. If you fill the bottle, you go to the next level. I should probably said that earlier. But I mean, the game tells it to you if you like download it. It has like a pretty cool tutorial. It's short and sweet. Okay, how much do I have left on the bottle? That's still a long way to go. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this within like, Oh god, the video's like 6 minutes long already. Okay, yeah, let's just speed it up. Also, if you get 5 Chuzzles in a row, you get a Super Chuzzle. And if you get a Super Chuzzle, it like explodes the other Chuzzles next to it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get one. Actually, I might. If I somehow get this right over there, and then that over there, I can probably get a super. But then the thing is, how do I, do... Okay, my arms are getting a bit tired of, like, holding the phone like that. You know what? Fine, let's just give in to the urge. Oh. Okay. Swipe. That's satisfying. It's a tongue twister. Okay. Yeah, you go there. And you go that way. You go this way. Oh my god. Well, 97%, 98% of the way through. We can definitely get through this. Okay, so... No, nothing with the oranges, I don't think. So, what about the pink? Okay. 99. This move, I think, should do it. There we go, we leveled up. So they are levels. Yeah, that's basically, the main mode. Of course, when you start up the game, it's, like, way easier than it is, now. Also, it saves your progress every time you leave. You may notice the screen's also broken there. I want to show you this other mode they have. Speed and Zen, those are pretty obvious. Zen is like, chilling. Speed is like, speedy, like a time limit. Mindbender is really unique though. I really like Mindbender. So what you need to do here is like, make the pattern that the game is giving you, like right there. Okay, now hold on. This is gonna look absolutely ridiculous, but I promise you this will work. So basically, you gotta be smart. You need to like figure out what can you do to like match the pattern on the top left. Okay, so right there, I'm gonna need one of you there. It's 4 blue Chuzzles per side. So I need to have a row where it's like fully yellows. 4 Chuzzles. That's 5. That's not 4. I don't think 4. It's 5. Okay. I might have messed up a bit. Okay, so now how do you... Oh, actually, yeah, that's really easy. Hold on. I have the 4 there. Now we need to somehow get the 2 over there. First off, let me just simplify this a little bit. Okay, so now they're here. Now we need to get them up here. So we do that. This. And there we go. It's like really relaxing. It's like the type of thing I do when I'm waiting for something. Also, your progress also saves at the classic mode. First of all, I want to do something. Hold on, I actually wonder, can I do this? Okay, I haven't shown this off yet, but this is my Galaxy S Advance. It's like a slightly upgraded version of the original Galaxy S1. Of course, spec-wise, it's like way better than the 551. But there you see, the screen isn't broken. Oh, my bad. Yeah, so this is how it looks. You know, usually, normally. For some reason, in higher definition screens, the Chuzzle's eyes are like, smaller. I don't really get why that happens. Maybe something technical. Also, it's like way faster. Yeah, so this is how it looks. Oh, there's a super! I can like showcase a super now. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna want to like put it together with a pink, like another pink. Oh, and we got the rainbow Chuzzles like right there. Okay, here, look. It blew up like, you know, all the Chuzzles around it. Oh my god, oh look, here's the rainbow. You see how it has like that cool, unique animation? Yeah, that's really cool. Yeah, so that's Chuzzle. Here's, you know, the back side of the phone if you're interested, you know, more, you know, details of how it looks compared to the 551. But the 551 will always be superior in my mind because, yeah. I'm rambling too much, okay. Video's over. See you later.